How to add Roblox gift card codes. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on how to add Roblox gift card codes or how to simply redeem a Roblox gift card. So first of all, you have to open the web browser and then go to roblox.com. Additionally, you can also type in roblox.com/redeem in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will enter into this kind of interface of redeeming the Roblox codes. Here you can see that it's indicated that enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. So find your PIN for physical cards, and it might be under the scratch off security label or on your receipt. For the digital card, check your email, enter your PIN, and click on redeem. Use the added credit to buy the Robux or premium subscription or both. Note that the Amazon purchased gift cards can only be used for Robux. You can also convert your credit to the Robux and spend your Robux on avatar accessories and special perks and experiences. Don't forget to check your inventory for a free virtual item that comes with each gift card upon redemption, one per account per month. So you can explore and shop Roblox gift card for more details at roblox.com. So this was all about how can you add Roblox gift cards or redeem the Roblox gift card online. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.